Santa Catalina, motor humming like a restless drum, Palma shining like a wild arena, neon breaking where the waves come. Streetlights whipping by in silver, skies a velvet shade of blue, black fire. Kick it up and let the engine shiver. Tonight we ride wherever sparks conspire. We were made for the midnight, racing with the tide, flying down the Paseo, nothing left to hide. Turn the night to thunder, leave the world behind, 'cause we were made for the midnight, born to run that Harlem lights are dancing on the water, masts are swaying like they feel the beat. Every moment getting harder, every heartbeat quickens in the seat. Catch a wind that rises from the ocean, let it take you where you need to be. Every mile another wild emotion, every shadow whispering be free. We were made for the midnight, racing with the tide, flying down the Paseo, nothing left to hide. Turn the night to thunder, leave the world behind, 'cause we were made for the midnight, born to run that line. And when the skyline starts to glow and the first boats leave the bay, we'll still be burning down the road, 'cause some souls never fade away. We were made for the midnight, racing with the tide, flying down the Paseo,